Alright, I got this 6-piece set off of Amazon for a door, and it's a locking door, and so you can see the lock has 3 keys that come with it, and I'm assuming that all 3 keys, well, I know all 3 keys to go to this lock, and I'm assuming that the other 5 locks are going to be keyed the same way. I've been having problems with people breaking into my office, and well, they shouldn't be in my office, period. So anyhow, I just want to show you real quick how this goes on. I took the other one off. One thing you want to make sure of when you go to put this in, put this here, is make sure that this part here is in the center of your door, of the door hole here, right there. So it moves back and forth so that you can get it for various size thicknesses of the door from here to there. And this one here is going to go all the way at the very end. And make sure when you put this in that when it goes shut, that this is the part that will lock. That this will go in, slide through the door jamb. Let me show you. So when you have this part here on the door jamb, this will go on here so that it's kind of hard to show that, that this will pull through and it'll lock this way. So anyhow, I'm going to put this in here, and then of course you want your locking, the lock that has the keyhole on the outside, and you want to line that up with the holes, and then you line this one up the same way with the holes. And I guess the way this one's built, you can have it either the handle up or the handle down, and then it has screws, I should say bolts, and you just line the bolts up with the other side threaded apart, and the same with this one here. I'm kind of used to having the door handles be on the horizontal, but these here, the way it's made, and I'm going to double check that. Yeah, there's no way to, oh, I'm wrong. Okay, so this one here does have a third option where you can put it on the side. So, so you can have, yeah, you can do that. So you can have it and make sure, that's not going to work. Sorry, this is a long video, but you want to have it so that the door will actually shut when you get that lined up. In other words, if this was like this, it wouldn't shut, it wouldn't open. So that's pretty nice that it has 2 options. You can either go with the handle up or the handle down. Get this lined up there like that, and then you put the 2 screws in and you're done. Okay, real nice door. I'll take a picture when I have it all screwed together.